Hi, my name's Jamie from Leyland Trade. I'm here today to talk about Leyland Trade Vinyl Matte Emulsion. So why would you buy Leyland Trade Vinyl Matte Emulsion? Because it's easy to apply, fashionable flat finish, suitable for walls and ceilings. It's got great opacity, meaning it takes less coats to cover. It's also wipeable, so has a reasonable durability. So where would you apply this coating? Well, I'd apply it on all interior walls and ceiling surfaces. That could be bare plaster, embossed wallpaper, or previously coated surfaces. Let's talk facts and figures. Touch dry in 1 to 2 hours, recoatable in 2 to 4, spreads a massive 14 square metres per litre, depending on the surface you're working on. Leyland Trade Vinyl Matte Emulsion is available in thousands of tinted colours, meaning you can get the right colour for your customer. So there we have it. For more information about Leyland Trade Vinyl Matte, head over to leylandtrade.com.